Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite comfort dishes, Homestyle spicy stir-fried chicken.
Just look at that glossy sauce and the tender chicken. It smells so good. I'm getting hungry already.
Alright, let's get started. I'm using half a chicken here. This one is super fresh. Just bought it from the market this morning. Since it's fresh chicken, so we don't need to blanch it.
Instead, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of flour and rubbing it in. Flour is really good at absorbing impurities. Just massage it until it feels a little sticky. Then rinse it well with clean water a few times until the water runs clear. Now for the aromatics. Smash a few cloves of garlic. Slice some ginger. Cut a few green and red chilies. And a stalk of scallion into sections. For spices, I've got some dried chilies, green Sichuan peppercorns, a bay leaf, star anise, and a small piece of cinnamon stick.
Next, let's mix up our sauce.
In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sweet bean paste, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 10 grams of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, MSG, and white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give that a good stir until it's all smooth and combined.
Now everything is ready, let's cook.
Heat some oil in the wok. Add the ginger slices and let them fry slowly over low heat. Once they turn slightly golden and dry on the surface, add all the spices. Fry them together until they smell amazing. Now add the chicken. Make sure it's all drained well. Turn the heat to high and start stir-frying. Let's moving it around. We are rendering some of that chicken fat and getting a nice golden color on the meat. When it's beautifully browned, pour in the sauce we just made. Stir everything together. You will smell it getting richer and deeper right away. Now pour in some boiling water, just enough to cover the chicken. And then add a can of beer.
Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes with the lid off.
Then cover and simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. Alright, time's up, let's check it. Let's take out the aromatics. Now toss in the scallion chunks and the garlic. Give it a quick stir for about 30 seconds. Then add in the green and red chilies. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Once everything smells beautifully combined, drizzle in half a tablespoon of sesame oil. And that's it. Look at this, glossy, spicy, and so inviting. Honestly, I'm starving just smelling it.
Let me try a bite for you. It's so tender and packed with flavor. A little bit spicy and super aromatic. This one is a total crowd pleaser. You've got to try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.